One of the most important things for us to do if we really want to achieve our money mindset goals is that we need to destroy our debt first. So any extra debt, I mean, obviously if you've got a mortgage, yes, the sooner you can pay that off, the better. But that's more of a long-term goal. And even if it is just another $50 a week or $100 a month or $200 a month, whatever it is, it's still going to help you pay that off sooner. But don't, sort of put yourself in dire straits by paying off too much and then not having enough money for the things that you need to do. But there are other things where we spend money. So if you've, say, bought a new fridge, are you paying that on an interest-free loan? If you are, that's fantastic. Make sure that you meet all of those payment deadlines so that you don't get pinged for the entrance afterwards. But if you have got something that's high interest, so quite often your credit card, for example, never spend more money on your credit card than you can actually pay off in any given month. So you've got to pay off the top interest debts as soon as possible, because the longer you have them, the more they are going to cost you and the less likely you are to get towards your goals. So don't skip payments. Always make sure you pay on time. If things are getting hard, call and negotiate interest rates. Sometimes you can transfer your credit card balance to a different bank and you can actually amalgamate all of your debts and you can really have a much lower interest rate. So see if you can do things like that. So consolidate your debts as much as possible and try to make really good decisions to not buy on debt. So if you're saving, you will be able to save for those things that you want far more readily. And hopefully that will help you to then, once you've done all of that, to really skyrocket towards your success and reaching your goals.